Hey guys, this is me Simran Shikhao. Welcome to my YouTube channel Simran Art. Hope you guys liked my previous video, and today in this video I am going to share you the Mithila painting art. This is a very old form of art which is originated in the city of Madhubani, and due to which it is also known as Madhubani painting. It requires a lot of concentrations and consciousness to do so. It is originated in the heart of Mithila, which shows the culture of people associated in Mithilanchal. This is a very popular painting in Bihar, and this painting is sold in every market of India. Well, right now I am at my home, so I can show you live one of my Mithila painting poster that I had made through these hands. In this video I am going to share you some Mithila painting that had made by me. So just go through this video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys liked my videos, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel for more update and press the bell icon for more new videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.